Earl.
Watch your fingers. He'll take your little fingers off too. Be careful, honey. Be very gentle, Earl. Yeah, all better. Ready to get out now? Thank you for feeding Earl so much dinner. You want to give that to Earl? Oh, Earl. Goodness, you're like a shark, Earl. Look at those teeth. Be gentle.
Wow.
She's got no fear of this big guy. Earl, take it easy, Earl. It's one little noodle. Gentle. Gentle. Okay, just drop it. He'll get it. I think that's enough. Earl's going to have a tummy ache.
One more.
That's it.
No water. He's going to have watery poop.
He's going to need some water. Okay, that's enough, Isla. Let's get rid of your dinner now. Are you all done? Yeah. Here you go. Uh-oh.